Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to turn your separate BuddyPress activity stream into a unified newsfeed, just like Facebook. By default, BuddyPress separate activities into different streams. The BuddyPress Newsfeed plugin combines all these activities, members, groups, friends and favorites into one continuous feed, keeping your activity stream clean and organized. Now let's see this plugin in action. This is how your feed will look like before enabling the Newsfeed plugin. Now let's move to the backend setting and enable the options and save the changes. Once you are done, click save and let's check out the page on the site. After refreshing the page, you will see the news feed and personal tab. Now all your activities will appear in a single feed, just like Facebook news feed. That's it. You have successfully created a streamlined, easy to navigate activity feed for your community. Thanks for watching. Now your community activity feed is cleaner and more engaging.